Redis lets you subscribe to channels by pattern, so one subscriber can receive messages from dozens of channels without listing each one individually. While subscribe locks you to a specific channel name, psubscribe uses glob wildcards, so a single subscription covers an entire topic hierarchy, perfect when publishers create channel names dynamically. When a message is published, Redis tests every active pattern against the channel name. A matching pattern delivers a pmessage to the subscriber, carrying both the matched pattern and the exact channel that was used. Open two terminals. In the first, run subscribe and psubscribe to hold both kinds of subscriptions. In the second, publish to several channels and watch which client receives which messages and what the reply count tells you. When reviewing a pull request, check that the pattern is tight enough to avoid an accidental flood, that overlapping patterns are handled deliberately, and that the subscribed connection is never reused for regular commands. Pattern subscriptions are powerful for dynamic channel hierarchies, but keep your glob tight, handle overlapping patterns explicitly, and never share a subscribed connection with regular Redis commands.